Hi friends, this is Abhishek. Today I'm discussing about introduction to ER diagram. So first let's discuss about introduction. In this presentation, we will demystify the basics of ER diagrams and their role in entity relationship modeling. We will explore the fundamental concepts and components of ER diagram and their importance in database design and visualization. So first, let us look at what are the fundamental concepts that are going to discuss about in this video. En- Entity, attributes and keys, and relationships, cardinality and modality, normalization are the fundamental concepts that we will discuss. And we are going to look at what are the best practices for handling ER diagram and tools required for ER modeling and the applications in of ER diagrams in database design. So let us first discuss one by one. First, entity. What is an entity? An entity represents a real world object or concept such as a person, place or thing. In an ER diagram, entities are depicted as rectangles with the entity name inside. Entities are the building blocks of the database model. These entities are given rectangle shapes in the ER diagrams. They have entity names inside the rectangles, attributes and keys. Attributes are represented by oval shapes in the ER diagrams. Entities have attributes that describe their properties or characteristics. Keys are uniquely identified each entity instance within the entity set. In an ER diagram, attributes are depicted as ovals connected to their respective entity. Relationship. Relationships are of different types, but these relationships are represented in diamond shapes as shown in this figure. In an ER diagram, a relationship represents associations between entities. They define how entities are connected to each other. Relationships can be one to one, like and one to many or many to many. And these relationships are depicted in diamond shapes, connecting the related entities. Cardinality and modality. First, we will discuss about what is cardinality. Cardinality defines the number of instances in one entity that can be associated with the number of instances in the another entity. Modality. Modality specifies whether the existence of an entity is mandatory or optional in a relationship. Then, what is normalization? Normalization, the process of normalization involves organizing the attributes of a database to minimize redundancy and dependency. In ER diagram, normalization plays a crucial role. It helps in avoiding data anomalies and ensures data integrity. So, what are the best practices in handling ER diagrams? When creating ER diagrams, it's essential to follow best practices such as using clear and concise naming conventions for entities and attributes, maintaining consistency in notation and documenting assumptions and constraints. maintaining consistency in notation and documenting assumptions and constraints. Tools for ER modeling. There are different software tools which can be used as handling ER modeling. Some examples of ER modeling software tools are Lucidchart, Microsoft Visio, and ER Studio. These software tools provide features for creating and visualizing ER diagrams, and also these software tools oft- offer a range of functionalities for designing and managing models. Application of ER diagrams in database design. ER diagrams serves as an foundation for database design, helping to identify entities, relationship, and business rules. They provide a visual representation of the database structure, facilitating communication between stakeholders and aiding in the development process. Conclusion. In conclusion, ER diagrams are a vital In conclusion, ER diagrams are a vital tool for visualizing and designing database structures. Understanding the principles of entity relationship modeling and mastering the art of creating effective ER diagrams are essential skills for professionals. Thank you for watching this video.